Hi, Steve Hooper here with another photo tip. The other day I talked about depth of field and how important it was to make sure that the background was soft so that you could accentuate the foreground in your main subject. But there's one thing to consider, and that is you need enough depth of field, enough of the main subject in focus, so that you're covering all you need within that main subject. The depth of field is important, and therefore, like for an example, if you needed to shoot a robin's 10 inches long, you'll need to set your depth of field to make sure that you've covered all 10 inches. So you can do that by simply downloading an app on your Android or iPhone, and that depth of field calculator will tell you how much will be in focus at the various settings, the aperture settings, and the distance that you're from the subject, and also the millimeter lens that you're using, such as a 400, which I have to my right. And basically, you'll get the fact that you'll have either 5 inches in focus, 10 inches in focus, and you can make your adjustments based on that calculator. The other tip that I'd like to share with you is that when you're photographing an animal or a bird, try to do the eye focus. Focus on their eyes. Then you'll have some depth of field in the front and some depth of field in the back. So you're sort of covering the front and the back of the subject, which is truly what a depth of field does. It goes a couple inches or to a couple feet in front of the subject and a couple inches to a couple feet in back of the subject. So your subject is important to focus on what I call sort of the middle, and that would be the eye focus, and then you'll get what you need. I hope you've enjoyed this tip. Thank you very much.